First, make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile's network. Most phones made after 2018 are compatible. Next, order a Mint Mobile SIM kit online. You can choose either a physical SIM or an eSIM for instant activation if your phone supports it. During the order process, select a Mint Flex plan, customizing your data needs starting from 5 gigabytes. After getting your SIM, use the Mint Mobile app or website to initiate the port-in process, entering your AT&T account number, PIN, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. This kicks off the transfer of your phone number. Keep an eye out for a confirmation text from AT&T, which usually arrives within an hour. Follow these steps to smoothly switch to Mint Mobile. Once you receive confirmation, insert the Mint Mobile SIM card into your phone and activate it using the Mint Mobile app. Activation typically completes within 24 hours. Once activated, cancel your AT&T service to avoid being double billed. If you run into issues like a failed port, Mint Mobile offers 24/7 chat support. According to Mint Mobile's 2020-25 customer data, they have a 98% success rate for port-ins. Mint Mobile also provides a $10 bill pay credit for new switches. After switching to Mint Mobile, expect to save around $300 per year.